Walang yumayaman sa pagiging empleyado. Dati, naniwala ako dito. Pero na-realize ko na pwede ka palang yumaman kung may tamang disiplina at diskarte ka sa pera. Karamihan sa mga empleyado, gumagastos agad tuwing sweldo. Minsan nga, kahit wala pang sweldo, ubus na. Kaya tuloy, walang naipon kahit ilang taon na ang lumipas. That said, kailangan natin itong baguhin, and it starts by following these 4 simple steps. Step 1, pay yourself first. Apply this formula. Income minus savings equals expense. Kapag nakuha mo na ang sweldo mo, huwag gastos agad. Magtabi ka muna para sa savings mo. Pwedeng 5%, pwedeng 10%, or more. Depende sa kaya mo. Ang importante, consistent. Step 2, avoid lifestyle inflation. Kapag tumaas ang income mo, huwag mong sabayan ng pagtaas ng lifestyle mo. Unfortunately, most people do the opposite. Habang tumataas ang kita, tumataas din ang gastos. Minsan nga, nung maliit pa ang sweldo, napagkakasya pa. Pero nung lumaki ang kita, doon pa nabaon sa utang. So what's the solution? Maintain your lifestyle while your income increases so your savings grow faster. You can also set aside money that you can use for fun para ma-enjoy mo rin ang fruits of your labor. Because here's the truth. No matter how much money you earn, if you can't control your expenses, you'll always be broke. Step 3, get protected. Life may be good today, but bad things may happen tomorrow. So it's best to prepare for the worst by building an emergency fund worth at least 6 months of expenses. Para kung mawalan ka ng income, may safety net ka. On top of that, get yourself insured. Kasi isang hospitalization lang, surgery, or critical illness, pwedeng maubos lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. One reliable insurance company in the Philippines is Sun Life. So feel free to have a conversation with any of their financial advisors for your insurance needs. Step 4, invest regularly. Let's say you invest 2,500 pesos per month for 20 years at a 7% annual return. Your total investment is 600,000 pesos, but your money grows to around 1,229,000. That's a growth of 104.98%. And here's the best part. Even if you stop adding money, your investments can continue to grow. You can then use this money for your children's education or for your own retirement fund. This proves that even if you're an employee, regular investing can turn into big money over time. So curious lang, magkano ang kaya mong i-invest every month? Comment it down below.